Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the secret dress in Dress and Press game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update has been dropped in Dress and Press and they have added this secret dress, and the wicked update is gone right now and the winter update is about to come. And now they give us this little update, and in this update you will be able to get the secret dress. If you want to get the secret dress, you need to go to this area and you just need to click on this this pot, and then you will be able to apply or to wear this cute dress. And yeah, that's how you can get this secret dress in Dress and Press latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.